That's not it. That's nothing useful. Nothing.
MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So I have some more random parts in the boxes, and we're gonna see what's in it. I have no idea what's in it. I mean, hopefully it's car parts. They've been down here for a little bit. Hopefully it's not anything I've been waiting for in the mail that I put down in the basement and, you know, didn't open. Hopefully it's not anything perishable or an animal. Let's see. Let's open the box and see what's inside. I need my scissors. My scissors are my favorite. Open everything with my scissors. Oh, this looks like something related to the main seal, oil seal. Man, that's a thick thing. That's hard. I thought these would be flexible. These things are not flexible at all. Oil seal type. That's all it says. Oil seal type. I'm assuming that this is front and rear main seals. Really hard, dude. Like, I guess the inner part of it is flexible. And it has, you can see here, there's like a little spring in there, but it's really hard on the outside. Yeah, I thought that was going to be like soft. I guess I've never seen any of these, so I had no idea what I'm looking at. Oil seal type, that is the number. And that is the number. We're going to see what else is in the box. We got other stuff, man. Let's open the big one. Let's open the big one. See what we get. You know, at Christmas time, it's not Christmas time right now, but Christmas time, everyone's always wondering what that big box is under the tree. It's always got something special in the big one. Sometimes it's something really small in a giant box like Amazon sends all the time. This looks to be a head gasket. It looks to be a head gasket. I don't know if this is the multi-layer steel or the single layer steel. It doesn't look very thick. It looks very thin. I don't think that's the right one. Hold on a second. Stay tuned, everybody. More gaskets. More gaskets. Whole gasket kit. You see that? Came with a bunch of gaskets. Pretty much everything you can think of. And I think we have all the gaskets we need. Came in one kit. And I think we are short the MLS gasket. I think this is actually a single layer gasket. Don't get me wrong. But I think it is. This is some RTV, gray RTV gaskets, gasket maker, RTV, whatever you want to call it. And we'll put that over here. I think we're good on gaskets. Maybe this is it. I'm not sure. Let's open it and see what we have in this box. That's not it. That's nothing useful. Nothing. Oh yeah, that's much thicker than the last one. Oh yeah. Wow. This is supposed to be, oh yeah, multi-layer steel gasket. And yeah, you can definitely tell the difference in this one versus the other one. Let me grab it real quick. Wow. Okay. So this one, you can clearly see, well, maybe you can't, but it definitely is multi-layer steel versus this one. Maybe I'll have to open these up and give you guys a different, but I can definitely tell, I can see two different colors of metal or something in this one, and this one is just a single color. Save that for another day, but too much stuff here. But yeah, man, the gaskets are here. All that stuff looks good. You know, I mean, when it gets to the builder will check it out, but that's the stuff I was told to order. So I ordered it and it should be right. If it's not right, we'll get rid of it and we'll get new stuff. But I think that's what we need. That's what I was told to get, direct links. So bought that stuff and we should be off and running. Maybe I'll do another video, multi-layer steel versus the single layer steel gasket. I mean, maybe, you know, if I ever get to that, but I better do it before they put that in the car, huh? Thanks for all the likes and subscribers. Almost there, but we're gonna get this truck together and I will see you guys soon.